Hey guys, it's Mike with Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I just wanted to bring you outside in the garden today and just show you how magical it is when you can give your child fresh fruits and vegetables. These are grapes that we grew 3 years ago. So this is a 3-year-old crop, but there's plenty of enjoyment. Go ahead, get in there. Taste one, Noel. And being able to enjoy fruit picked right from the garden. Is it good? Is it good? So I encourage you, even though it's going to take a couple of years, the best time to get growing is right now. Right, Noel? Hold that. Let's go pick another one. Because there's always something very magical. You okay? Y'all right about growing your own food. Want to try this one? All right. Say bye for now.